We start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, we discussed about the price retest to break the lowest price of this correction, which we discussed about whether the price can drop to 33 cent or not. All right, as we can see, even there was a breakout of the 33. Anyway, if we refer to my analysis, since the price was exactly within here, I come up with this supports or with these lines. I mentioned we can expect and we will expect the price to drop to any of this level. That's why I was keep highlighting the way is moving, following by divergence. You can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. And even I mentioned with the breakout of this one, we can expect the 33, we can expect the price drop to 28, and the possibility to drop to 23 is very less. That's why I was keep highlighting about this one, exactly as what I explained it. We get now what's the next, all right? Whether this is the start of the reversal or not. If yes, then we can expect the price break this top. But at this point, still we can expect this one turn to a correction in relative to this sharp move following by next drop. Then from there, we want to see if there is a breakout of the 28, we can expect the price drop to 23. Okay, because at the first time, it couldn't break the 28. As we can see, there was a breakout and reversal very fast. Okay, that's why I was keep highlighting about this one. Now, what's the next? How we can look for trade? Because the way I'm looking at this one is still we can expect this one turn to a correction flag in relative to what we have here, and still we can expect this one happen. And if this we get this one, then any opportunity for buy from there will be the best. And most of the charts they have this similar movement. Technically, still we can expect this one unless we see some changes based on the news and the price reverse from here. All right, then what should we do? For me, if I get any opportunity for buy from here based on lower time frame, I will take it. I will consider as a short term. Then we will see what will happen. If not, then this is the best I'm looking for. But we don't need to wait for this option. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will get it because we can expect to get some news, some changes based on the overall market and the power market reverse from here. And let me continue from here. Okay. Now, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. Then if I move to lower time frame, we want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, based on forward chart, if we put this one relative to what we have here, based on MACD, I don't see the divergence. The second indicator also, I don't see the divergence. That's why the possibility for the price at least give us one more drop is very high. Now the question is, if we want to look for the divergence, whether we should wait for the price retest this low, then we consider the divergence of here. This is not the shadow, okay? This is sometimes it may make us confused. All right. Now, how we can look for trade? For me, still, if I want to look for the divergence, I prefer the price retest this low. But as long as if the price drop to this level, the lowest price of this part, then if I see any opportunity, any signals for buy, even I will take it. Okay. The only part make us confused regarding what we have here following if we want to look for the divergence. Anyway, to make it very simple, as I mentioned, the best option is this one, following by divergence. Then any reversal will be the best. Most of the chart, they have a similar movement. And this is the best, but we don't need to wait for this one. But we should be aware of that, this possibility. Then for me, I'm looking at this, similar to what we have for the XRP. Any opportunity for buy from here, I will take it. Then with the breakout of this stop, I will move my stop loss to break even. And as I mentioned, this trade will be a short-term trade. If there is a continuation, I will keep it. If not, then I will take out the trade, or if I could move my stop loss to break even, I just let it. If they take me out in the break even, then if we get this one, this is where I will take the trade. This is where it can give us a confirmation for the reversal. But at this point, I don't see the confirmation for the reversal. That's why we can look for this one as a trade within the correction. All right. Then if I move to 1 hour chart, you want to see what we will have based on 1 hour chart. Similar explanation, nothing else. We're looking at this one. And if we move to higher time frame, we're looking to see the breakout. If I mean, because we move to weekly chart, it will be more clear. We are looking at this one correction, then any opportunity for buy. We're looking to see the breakout of the 53 following by 65. All right, this is what we are looking for. And after the 65, we're looking for all-time high with the breakout of the all-time high. We're looking at least for 97 following by 1.23. Then from there we want to see what we'll get, whether we get the correction. If we get the correction, it can give us a better confirmation for the after, I mean, better confirmation, better indication for the next target, which is above 1.23. Okay, but at this point, with the breakout of the all-time high, we can look for 97 following by 1.23, and I don't see anything else. Then we move to 1 hour daily chart. We're looking at this, and for me, I'm really interested to get this one. At least the price dropped to 28. Then this is where we can, because we can get the confirmation. All right, this is where I'm really interested to look for buy if we get this possibility. By the way, as what I explained, that at the same time I'm looking at this one I consider as a trade within the correction. All right, then if we get this trade with the breakout of this top, we have to follow the chart and we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any continuation from here, then I will come with the update. And in this case, again, we just follow the chart. And if there is any update, I will share. Thanks.